Hey everyone, welcome back to my sewing channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do a rolled hem for my sewing pattern, the sarong. This sewing pattern is available on my website, republicofg.com. So I'm going to lay the pattern on the cross grain so that it is going in the stretchiest directions. When you pull it to tie it around your waist, you're getting the most stretch. And I know it looks a little long for this fabric. I actually went back and shortened the pattern slightly so that it fits on standard mesh. And this is why this pattern is such an easy, truly quick, beginner-friendly pattern, because it's literally only 2 steps. It could be 1 step. You could be done right now, but I'm going to take it to my serger machine and I'm going to do a rolled hem to finish the edges. So check your serger manual to see what settings you need to do. But for me, I take out the left needle and put that tension to 0. I take out the stitch finger, which I'm doing now, and I move my settings to R and 1. And here's how the rolled hem should look at the end. I hope you guys enjoy this pattern and use it for all your summer sewing. Bye!